Hi boys and girls, this is our reading and writing lesson for Wednesday, July 15th. This week we've been taking a look at the book One Tiny Turtle, and I hope you had a chance to view the video of the story that's being read by the author Nicola Davies. The illustrations are done by Jane Chapman, and the author also shows you the illustrations as she reads the book. And the illustrations are amazing. They're so pretty. So please watch that video if you haven't already. You also might want to watch it to re-listen to the story, because today we're going to talk about how you read and recall. In this case, you're going to be listening to the story because I don't think you have it at home. So we're going to listen to the video again and then recall what happened in the story. The first thing we want to do is write our title, which is One Tiny Turtle. And then you want to tell me, what is the story mostly about? Even if you haven't listened to the story yet, I think you can realize by the front cover that the story is mostly about this tiny turtle. So in one sentence, you would tell me what the story is mostly about. You could add more sentences to that if you would like. It doesn't have to just be one. Next, you're going to tell me two things you remember from the story. What were two things that jumped out at you that you liked in the story? Is it the fact that the turtles lay eggs? Would it be that the turtles like to eat the crabs? Or would it be any of the facts that you have discovered about loggerhead turtles while listening to the story? It can be any two things that you remember from the story. Lastly, you want to draw something that happens from each part of the story. So you want to draw something that happened in the beginning of the story. Far, far out to sea, land is only a memory. You could draw the ocean with the sun rising up above the ocean. You could draw a picture of a turtle swimming around in the ocean, a baby turtle. In this case, it would be in the beginning. Then you want to draw something that happens in the middle. You could draw the turtle eating the crabs like we just discussed. You could draw the turtle swimming around near the coral. You could draw the loggerhead turtle wandering far and wide looking for food. So again, you want to listen to the video, maybe pause it when something jumps out at you that you want to draw from the middle of the story. Lastly, you want to draw something that happens at the end of the story. It could be the fact that the turtle is off of the beach and she is now diving under the waves and swimming away out into the sea. You could draw a picture of the turtle leaving the sand and heading out to sea. So again, the choice is yours. Your parents can email me for this form if you would like it, or just like everything else, you can do it exactly as you've done in the past on another piece of paper or pencil, whiteboard, send me pictures, however you want to do it. I look forward to seeing them. The other thing we want to talk about today is fact or opinion. We touched on that yesterday at our Zoom, but I want to talk about that again. So we want to remember that a fact is a true statement that you can prove. An opinion is someone's idea or feeling about something. A fact is something that we can look up and say that it is true, we can prove it. So, turtles lay eggs. That is a fact. We know that turtles lay eggs. But if I was to say my favorite animal is a turtle, that would be my opinion. I could say turtles are the best animal around. That would be my opinion, because you might think a dog is the best pet to have. An opinion is something, an idea or feeling about something. So we're going to take a look at some facts and opinions about turtles. I'm going to read the sentence and then give you a minute or two to think about the answer. So first we have female turtles lay eggs every 2 to 3 years. Would this be a fact or an opinion? If you said fact, you are correct. Turtles should be kept in a zoo. Fact or opinion? This one is an opinion because you might think turtles should be kept in your house as a pet. A certain kind of turtle, not the loggerhead who swims in the ocean. Only 1 in 1,000 turtles will survive to adulthood. Is this a fact or an opinion? Can you look this up and prove it? That makes it a fact. The group of eggs mother turtles lay are called a clutch. Is this a fact or an opinion? It is a fact because we can look that up and prove that. Turtles are the most interesting animals to learn about. Fact or opinion? That is an opinion. Some sea turtles live for over 100 years. Fact or opinion? Can we prove that? Can we look that up? We can. So that is a fact. Turtles are cute. Is this a fact or an opinion? That is an opinion. The best turtles are red-eared sliders. Fact or opinion? That is an opinion because you might think red-eared sliders are the best turtles, but somebody else might like a different breed of turtle. So here we have fact or opinion. Read and recall. If you have any questions about either of these things, please send me an email. I look forward to seeing your drawings and reading your papers. Log into the webpage when we are done listening here, and there is a Boom Learning Card activity also on fact and opinion for some practice. Okay, see you tomorrow.